Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're here in the Ocean Tower, 18th floor at Caesars Atlantic City. This is a Senator Suite. So when you walk in, you get a nice sitting area here. Halfway decent looking TV. A little outdated, but that's all right. This room faces north towards Ocean and Bally's. That's to the right there is the Sinjorian Tower that I'm staying in. Did a previous video about it. Maybe I'll throw a link up there in the right corner, or one of the corners. You get a wet bar area over here. Again, a little outdated, but still nice looking. Mini fridge here. Bedroom here with king bed in this room. Another TV. A little bit of artwork. Another north-facing view towards Ocean and Bally's. Let's see if I can turn a light on here. So you get a little sitting area here with a big old mirror. Closet area. Let's take a look in the closet. You get a safe and coat area. Some food tray stands. Whirlpool. Oh, wow. Holy shit, Scott. You see this thing?
Oh wow, I think that's sick.
That's crazy.
Got the steam shower.
Bathroom.
Definitely a steam shower.
Separate toilet area here. Get a steam shower here. Yeah, it is a steam shower with a sitting area. Very, very nice. So all in all, room's a little dated, but supposedly now that Caesars is owned by Eldorado, they're going to begin $400 million in renovations, mostly to the rooms here at Caesars is what I understand. There's another view towards Borgata and Harrah's. So who knows, maybe this room will be renovated shortly, but either way, it's still a pretty nice room.